If you do diamond painting, you already know the hardest part isn't placing the drills, it's keeping them organized. Today I'm testing this diamond painting storage case to see if it actually makes projects easier. Inside this storage system you get multiple small containers, trays, and a 2-layered case designed to hold drills and accessories in one place. I'm setting this up on my desk the same way I would for a real project. The containers are clear, so it's easy to see colors at a glance, which saves time when switching between drills. One thing I like during setup is that each container has a lid, which helps prevent spills, especially helpful if you're working in a small space or around pets or kids. With everything separated and labeled, I don't have to dig through bags or worry about mixing colors. That makes the whole process smoother and faster. This kind of organizer is especially useful if you work on larger diamond painting kits or multiple projects at once. It keeps your desk clean and helps you stay focused on the fun part, placing the diamonds. Overall, having a dedicated storage system like this can make diamond painting more relaxing and less frustrating. Thanks for watching.